Hello, welcome back to my channel again. Initial of earn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so make sure this is the channel. Only subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Have a good day. Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel with another video. First of all guys, almost if you're not subscribed my channel, just go to my channel and subscribe the red button, okay, and after subscription click on the bell button for notification. And you also check out my recent video that I uploaded, and you can also go to my playlist, go to real and really paying best site about Bitcoin, and Russian site is golden tea. This is the Russian site, okay. So this is among Bitcoin faucets and the others, and crypto wallet. If you do not have a crypto wallet, just go to this playlist and click on that video and watch what all. You can also click on this Bitcoin video, is about 18 videos you can check out, okay. So I don't want to go further ado, just go to my video. Today guys, I have a special site for you. There is this special token, okay. It's like Bitcoin. So this is the name of token is BitTube, okay. So first of all, if you do not have this site registration, you just simply click on the link. If you cannot find, just go to my video description, you can find there. So first of all guys, I am the topic one is what is BitTube. So okay, so if you do not know what is Bitcoin or BitTube, so just simply go to the coin market cap. If you guys watching my video first time, so if you're not working on cryptocurrency, just subscribe me and watch my all videos about Bitcoin and other related altcoin, okay. So I just simply type BitTube, okay. So BitTube is a token like is a coin like Bitcoin. So here is the price of BitTube. Is a one BitTube is equal to $0.04. So here is the percentage of increasing price day by day. So the rank is 388. So if you see the the market cap, so market cap is 58k or 5 million US dollar. Is a 5 million plus US dollars. The volume in 24 hours. So circulating supply is, as you can see, tube, and the total supply is, as you can see, the 130 million dollar, okay. 130 million country of tubes is their total supply. So here you can see the chart, the price of chart. The circulating price is the 1 day, 7 day, 1 month, 3 month, yearly. So if you see the markets is exchanging, is the trading on Bittrex, UTBit, and the next one is trade.org, and the Litecoin, okay. So I think guys, this is the best coin I want to share with you. You must have to join this, and there is no work to earn, okay. So you just simply have to install a extension like a internet download manager extension. So just simply go to your browser, okay. So I just simply copy this link and paste into my URL address. You must have to wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so I will give you a payment proof also, because I recently joined and really don't have any idea this I will pay me or not. So I just work first, then I am telling you about this. So I recently withdraw from this site, so that's why I'm making this video. Okay, so guys just have to simply join this link. You will go this expansion, Google expansion. Just simply click on the install BitTube expansion. As you can see, I have already installed. Is like a ad blocker site, so you will earn automatically. You just don't have any work to do that. Okay, and yeah, if you see how to sign up, just I just simply click on this logout button and I will log in again. Okay, so just simply what is the basic part, and you just simply click on this and just go to wallet request, and I will just simply put an authenticator key. Is the BitTube. BitTube is the best authentication to secure your account. Is the best way to a high security level. Okay, so as you can see guys, I have just recently withdraw my balance. I just collected a 47 cubes. 47 cubes is equal to, if you see the price of cube, here is the total price. You just go to the calculator and calculate this price is equal to 47. You multiply by 47 and you just already earn, I just already earned $2.12. so I recently withdraw. Here you can see the date of withdraw 20 March 2020 in 19 in 15 to 7 minutes. Okay, so here's the hashing and transaction detail. As you can see, is the request amount is already minus. I just withdraw, and block number is not number of confirmation 30, and the fee is 0.0013. okay, and the time 20 March 2019, and you can see it has 22 minutes ago, and this is the payment ID, and we use blockchain expert for even more details. Okay, you see the blockchain, BitTube blockchain. So you can see here's the blockchain details. Okay, if I go to my Bittrex wallet, so I just simply click on this and let's see login. You copy the authentication key and just login. So okay. He simply goes to wallet. So I already verify my Bittrex account. So is this, as you can see, the BitTube. is a pending 47 tubes. So yes, as you can see the rate day of transaction, okay, 20 this is 03, this is the month of March, okay, 2019. As you can see 31 confirmation total I have to need to be deposited, the 60 confirmation, okay. So I already uh, have 31. So guys, I'm so happy. So I and the work is nothing, okay. You just simply have to install this expansion of Google Chrome and just leave it and just uh, fill the registration form first. So it's easy guys, okay. So how to sign up? You just have to need to log out first, and if you want to sign up or register, you just simply give your username, email address and password and confirm password, and just click on sign up button and go to they will send you a email into your Gmail address that you are already giving them. So just go to your Gmail inbox and click on the verification link, this, and after verified just go to this login button and give your email address and put your password. So I will sign com. So I so just click on sign in button. Okay, so here is your available balance 0.32. so I recently have 47 tubes, so I recently withdraw, as you can see, okay. So I'm so happy guys. If you go to your wallet, my wallet, click on my wallet and just verify, and here is, you can see, here's the overview of my account of BitTube. So here's the transaction, okay. I already tell you. So thank you guys, thank you so much for having on my video. Here's the best coin. I think it will be to the moon like Bitcoin or other coin like Ethereum, Litecoin, Ethereum, everything guys. You just simply join and leave for work, okay. So we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.